Hello beautiful people, in this video I will share little secret of my hair care and how to styling it. First thing first, I always hair mask my hair since I was a little kid with aloe vera. You can buy them at the grocery store or your own plants, that will be great. Cut them like this. And put all over your hair. Don't forget your highlines. And leave it at least 15 to 30 minutes. And then shampoo as usual. And this is very important, guys. I always use Pantene anti-dandruff. This is for years and smells amazing. And you have any problem in your roots, on your skin, hair right here, this is a perfect product for you. Usually I always use hair mask, but I am curious with their conditioner, so I tried them and it was really good. The result in my hair is really smooth after that, because usually I only use hair mask after my shampoo. And now they have Pantene paraben free. Now guys, try to use product with paraben free as much as you can. Important also, guys, if you could take this hair, skin and nails vitamin once per day, it's really good for you. For the hair mask, if you don't use any conditioner, I am very recommended use hair mask for your damaged hair. I use this Chantu Avocados Hydrating Moisture Mask. I'm loving it. Also, I use the Olive Hair Mask. For natural dryer with braids, while still wet, I use this and this hair oil Garnier Anti-Freeze Serum. Also, this castor oil, the Jamaican castor oil. It's a Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil original. Next is use these dryer diffusers from Revlon. After shampoo, I wear this Evolve frizz-free drying tee. So for drying with the diffusers, I use this Argan Magic Intensive Hair Oil. It's the Moroccan Beauty Secret. And then I will use this Eco Professional Gel Olive Oil. So in my curly getting loose like this, and I will use this Remington curling wine. I always brush first very nice before curling with this. That way the result will be kind of smooth. This in level 5, the highest. It's around 30 seconds. Ta-da! Listen to your favorite music so you'll enjoy it too. For the Barbie curly hair, I call it Barbie curly hair because every time little girls see me, they always turn their head. So yeah, it's kind of cute. Natural dryer. Now time for styling. First, I'm going to make it straight on the root here with this straightener. This from Babyliss. You can see the parting is quite easy, just always on top of your ears. I will only straightening from roots to the middle here because I'm going to curling it halfway. Probably this is very simple but might be very easier for you. First, put the straightening here and then put your combs underneath it and then go all the way. Now to curly from half to here to the end, I use also Babyliss Pro. Pay attention, and like this, and then straight away to go down, and then start rolling. Start rolling again. Start rolling again. Usually I will count to 30 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, voila. Open. Put it inside. Go away from your face so it will not burn your ears or your face. You can hold this so the result will be good. Down forward, half, then half again, and usually also I make it smaller here, prettier. But not 30 seconds, just 15 seconds. And if your hair cannot hold the curly for long, so you can always add the hairspray. To make it natural, guys, I like to move over like this. Ta-ra! And the next one is use just the straightening like this on the roots, then come out, put around your hair like this, and then put inside. it, guys. Hopefully this video useful for you, especially for you who has curly hair or wavy hair. This is also useful for you who has a straight hair. At the beginning, everything seems like complicated, but if you're doing it over and over again and become your good habit, everything will be easy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like the video and feel free to give me thumbs up. Oh, let me know if you have any questions. Put at the description box. I love you so much, guys. I will see you soon.